So today we're going to teach you guys how to take off. This is a 65 econoline van. We're going to take off the horn cap and the steering wheel. First you push down and you turn and you lift up. That's all you got to do. Then you come over here, you take the bolt that's already on here. Can you see the bolt? And you just take it off with your wrench. And then you apply your steering wheel puller. Let me get that for you. Yeah, here you can buy this at any auto parts store. Make sure you get it comes with separate screws. Just put them in like so on both sides. Of course, they don't want to fit. And then you just tighten up your puller, and it should lift it right out. Tighten the bolts down. You don't have to go too far, just about a quarter of the way, so it gets a good bite. Okay. Adjust that up here a little bit. Tighten the other one down. You tighten them down to the same height so it's nice and level. Okay, a little bit more. That way you don't have no problems. You lift it up, see if it's a little bit balanced, so this one's got to go down a little more. Nice and level. There you go. Put it right in the middle and just start tightening it up. And I think I left my wrench. I left my wrench in the other car.